NEX NLN test questions. Question 1. Which value of x solves 5x plus 12 equals 52 in this score report item? Option A, 8. Option B, 7. Option C, 40. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option. Subtract 12 from both sides to get 5x equals 40, then divide by 5 to find x equals 8. The other choices result from stopping after subtraction, adding one too many, or not reversing the operations in the equation. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a study plan item, which word is closest in meaning to approximate in a patient education passage? Option A, vanish. Option B, deny. Option C, estimate. Option D, polish. The correct answer is option. Approximate means estimate, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Vanish means disappear, not estimate. Deny means refuse, not estimate. And polish means smooth, not estimate. Question 3. After checking the choices in a review checklist item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, osmosis. Option B, mitosis. Option C, exocytosis. Option D, transcription. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Mitosis is cell division, exocytosis moves materials out of a cell, and transcription copies DNA information into RNA. Question 4. If a common mistake stem gives one clear clue, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A. Clear formatting helps readers understand health information. Option B. Long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. Option C. Pictures make written instructions unnecessary. Option D. Headings reduce the value of information. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage. Pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage, and headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a calculator-free question, which increase is shown from Monday 18 to Wednesday 26 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 8. Option B, 26. Option C, 44. Option D, 5. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2618 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 6. Given the information in a patient chart item, which increase is shown from Monday 19 to Wednesday 27 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 5. Option B, 46. Option C, 8. Option D, 27. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2719 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 7. Suppose a similar lab result item appears on test day. Which word is closest in meaning to coherent in a patient education passage? Option A, logical. Option B, noisy. Option C, colorful. Option D, a random. The correct answer is option. Coherent means logical, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Noisy refers to sound, not logic. Colorful refers to appearance, not logic. And random means without order, not logical. Question 8. While working through a timed health literacy set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, bronchi. Option B, villi. Option C, nephrons. Option D, alveoli. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Bronchi carry air toward the lungs, villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, and nephrons filter blood in kidneys. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a safety protocol item, Which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A volunteer program grew after former patients shared personal stories at orientation. Option A. Personal stories can motivate people to participate. Option B. Former patients stopped the program. Option C. Volunteer programs grow without communication. Option D. Orientation should never include stories. The correct answer is option. The passage shows participation increased after meaningful stories were shared. Former patients stopped the program is not supported by the passage. Volunteer programs grow without communication is not supported by the passage, and orientation should never include stories is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this concept map idea on a NEX review. Which answer identifies the group that does not receive the experimental treatment? Option A. Conclusion. Option B. Control group. Option C. Sample. Option D. Experimental group. The correct answer is option. A control group provides a comparison for the treatment group. Conclusion is the final interpretation. Sample is the participants or items studied, and experimental group receives the treatment. Question 11. One hydration log practice problem tests this skill. Which second quantity matches a 2:8 ratio when the first quantity is 14? Option A. 14. Option B. 63. Option C. 70. Option D. 56. The correct answer is option. The first part grew from 2 to 14, so the scale factor is 7. Multiplying the second part, 8 times 7, gives 56. The other values use the total, the first quantity, or an extra scale step instead. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a vital signs item. Which word is closest in meaning to crucial in a patient education passage? Option A. Doubtful. Option B. Optional. Option C. Decorative. Option D. Essential. The correct answer is option. Crucial means essential, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Doubtful means uncertain, not essential. Optional means not required, not essential. And decorative means for appearance, not essential. Question 13. For this cell energy nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A. Platelet. Option B. Enzyme. Option C. Antibody. Option D. A hormone. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Platelet helps clotting, enzyme speeds chemical reactions, and antibody targets antigens. Question 14. In a short patient teaching practice STEM, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions. Option A. Students no longer needed to study. Option B. Quiet rooms increase noise. Option C. Reducing distractions can improve study conditions. Option D. Distractions are always helpful. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. Students no longer needed to study is not supported by the passage. Quiet rooms increase noise is not supported by the passage, and distractions are always helpful is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in a dosage label item, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A conclusion says a new study method caused higher scores, but the groups were not randomly assigned. Option A. The conclusion may be too strong because another factor could explain the scores. Option B. Random assignment is never useful. Option C. Higher scores prove every student studied more. Option D. The conclusion should ignore group differences. The correct answer is option. Without random assignment, group differences may affect the result. Random assignment is never useful, does not follow from the situation. Higher scores prove every student studied more, does not follow from the situation. And the conclusion should ignore group differences, does not follow from the situation. Question 16. Using the facts in an infection control question, which weight in pounds is closest to 50 kilograms using 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds? Option A. 110 pounds. Option B. 52.2 pounds. Option C. 1,100 pounds. Option D, 22.73 pounds. The correct answer is option. Multiply kilograms by 2.2, so 50 times 2.2 equals 110 pounds. The other choice is divide instead of multiply, add the conversion factor, or move the decimal one place too far. Question 17. Based on the clue in a fall prevention item, which word is closest in meaning to distinct in a patient education passage? Option A, separate. Option B, ordinary. Option C, combined. Option D, humid. The correct answer is option. Distinct means separate, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Ordinary means common, not separate. Combined means joined, not separate, and humid means moist, not separate. Question 18. Consider this high-yield nutrition note concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, translation. Option B, mitosis. Option C, meiosis. Option D, diffusion. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Translation builds proteins. Mitosis produces identical body cells, and diffusion moves particles down a gradient. Question 19. Near the end of an oxygen exchange review session, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A report says infection rates fell after staff completed a hand hygiene refresher. Option A, training increased infection rates. Option B, hand hygiene cannot affect infection. Option C, the refresher removed all risk permanently. Option D, training may have improved compliance with hygiene practices. The correct answer is option. The sequence suggests training supported better hygiene behavior. Training increased infection rates is not supported by the passage. Hand hygiene cannot affect infection is not supported by the passage, and the refresher removed all risk permanently is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar study schedule nursing entrance questions, which increase is shown from Monday 17 to Wednesday 27 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 44. Option B, 10. Option C, 27. Option D, 7. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 27/17 equals 10. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the lab safety clue, which number is 20% of 250? Option A, 270. Option B, 500. Option C, 230. Option D, 50. The correct answer is option. 20% means 20/100, so 250 times 20/100 equals 50. The other choices come from adding or subtracting the percent, moving the decimal incorrectly, or dividing in the wrong direction. Question 22. From the information in a blood flow item, which word is closest in meaning to evidence in a patient education passage? Option A, habit. Option B, rumor. Option C, delay. Option D, a proof. The correct answer is option. Evidence means proof, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Habit means repeated behavior, not proof. Rumor means unverified talk, not proof. And delay means postponement, not proof. Question 23. At a testing desk during a kidney function review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, neutral. Option B, hypotonic. Option C, acidic. Option D, basic. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Neutral describes pH 7, hypotonic describes lower solute concentration, and acidic describes pH below 7. Question 24. Inside an immune response science or skills item, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option B, patients cannot benefit from reminders. Option C, reminders can help patients remember appointments. Option D, reminders caused more missed visits. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Appointments no longer need scheduling, is not supported by the passage. Patients cannot benefit from reminders, is not supported by the passage, and reminders caused more missed visits, is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a medication math stem, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, convection. Option B, conduction. Option C, evaporation. Option D, irradiation. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Convection moves heat through fluid circulation. Evaporation is liquid changing to gas, and radiation transfers energy by waves.